Olivia, while I'm filming, listen to the bird. We'll see if we can look up that one. I am walking close to these yellow buttercups. They're the tall variety. It is in the genus Ranunculus. These we do not eat. I want you to look at the foliage of Ranunculus. See how it divides? Kind of like, I don't know, skinny little toes coming off opposite each other. Can you see the skinny little toes? And they're opposite each other on the stem. Underneath, I see chickweed. I'm in a field of weeds, wild strawberries, and I'm seeing. Is that? Is that a bittersweet vine? I think it's honeysuckle. Yeah, I think that's honeysuckle. And then in here, I wanted to look at the Mayapples. I'm going under. Woo! And a big grapevine right in front of me. Whoa. Doesn't look like the frost hurt the Mayapples in here. Hello. The little umbrellas on the forest floor. As I was driving to my friend's house, I could see them all along the road. There's some really big ones. Wow, there's some big ones here. And then some smaller ones. Woo! Yeah. And then over here is the wild Japanese honeysuckle bush. And it's the invasive one. So pretty though. Oh my goodness. I can see why people brought these things over from other countries and to try them in their gardens. And they are lovely. It's just a shame they're greedy and crowd out the other plants that feed our animals, right? And this is just so pretty. Look at all these buttercups, these field buttercups, the tall ones. And the birds are just singing. They're probably glad, too, that the frost is gone. I am seeing the jewelweed seedlings. I'm seeing some right under here. Oh, here's a jack and a pulpit that came through everything all right. And then this right here is the jewelweed seedlings. And I see a little of the garlic mustard too back in here. There's a wet area. I'm going to show you. I want you to look at it and see what type of animal you think made this two-toed looking print in the mud. What do you think? They have pretty many of them in this mud area. I'm just showing you a couple of them. And Butterscotch is getting a little drink. Doesn't she have the shiniest, beautiful fur? And what is this? Where's this water coming from? I'm going to let you know it is running downhill. Starts there. And it's flowing downhill. So it's just a natural runoff. And I'm gonna stop there. Just letting you look around at this beautiful forest that I'm in.